Hi, this is Janetta Johnson. Are we having fun yet? It was about 4 icebreakers. So now on to our next video. Hi. In this video, what I'm talking about is, do you make spaghetti? Well, my spaghetti for years has been very bland and not that appetizing. And so I came up with a way to make my spaghetti better. And I wanted to share it with you because maybe you have this problem too. Maybe you're just like, my spaghetti's so bland, but when you eat somebody else's, it's delicious and it's tasty. And you're like, what are they doing different? So I'm going to share my secrets on what I am now doing different with spaghetti so that you can make better tasting spaghetti too. So I hope you enjoyed this and we'll watch to the end. Okay, I have the tomato sauce in the pan. Now I'm going to add the Hunt's basil, garlic, and oregano paste into the pan. Okay. I'm also putting a little bit of brown sugar. It's about a teaspoon. And the reason you put that in is to help with this, it helps make it less acidic for people that have that problem with their spaghettis. Then I am pouring in the packet. Okay, then I'm going to put a half a cup of water in with this, and I'm going to stir it up. I'm going to stir it up. Then you're going to put this on a medium heat, and then when it starts to boil, you're going to go ahead and put it down on simmer for a while. I usually do it about 20 minutes or so. And so we'll come back when the next step is ready. Okay. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using. It doesn't matter what kind of spaghetti you use. I'm going to be using a ragu with meat. You can use any kind, it doesn't really matter. This is a tomato paste with basil, garlic, and oregano. This is just a signature package of spaghetti sauce mix. I really like the kind that says zesty, but they didn't have any, so this will do. And just normal old spaghetti. So that is before we are going to take the spaghetti and put it in a strainer and drain out all the water. And we're going to put it back into our pan until I'm ready for the sauce. Okay, the sauce is simmering for, first I had it on the medium high, bringing it to a boil, and now I'm letting it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, my spaghetti sauce is ready. I'm going to pour it over my stirred in. Now I've put the spaghetti in a baking pan and a baking dish, and I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 for 10 to 15 minutes, and then it will be done. Finished product. Delicious. So, if you enjoyed my video on how to make your spaghetti taste better, be more delicious, more satisfying, go ahead and like my video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and comment below if you think that you'll try doing this with yours. I hope you enjoyed my video.